During the different tutorials of the Boolean package, the same LPG sphere will be studied. In the LPG sphere, there are two preventives layers. The first one, it's a control loop, made up with a high-level sensors connected to a control valve. If the level on the sphere is upper than 80%, the sensors is triggered and the order to close the valve is directly sent. The same sensor activates an alarm. If the first barrier is down and the gas level is upper than 90%, a safety instrument loop is implemented. The safety system is one level sensor, LSHH, connected to the control unit, and the final action is to close one of the two SDV. If these both preventive layers are failed, a 65 mm leak appears on the LPG storage sphere. To limit the consequences, a deluge system is installed. With 3 gas detectors in 1 out of 3 the leak is detected, and the information is sent to the fire and gas logic solver. An alarm is triggered to prevent an operator. The operator will activate the push button to start the deluge system. In this tutorial, we are going to create the event tree with Grif-etree module from the leak in the LPG sphere to the consequences. Quickly specify the architecture of the event tree using the specific interface. Define the initiating events with a frequency of occurrence. And tailor the configuration options to your event tree. Configure the barriers with a probability of failure. Add the name of the different scenarios. Create your risk matrix graph, or use the default one to quantify the consequences. And create the consequences with the associated severity. Then, link the scenarios. And quickly obtain the occurrence of the consequences. Customize the unit of the results. Check the results displayed in the different matrix graphs.